You're going to cut out a heart for Miss Carrie?
Yeah, go try to.
Okay.
Okay, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Do...
Leave your hair.
Why?
Because that's the rule for cutting. You have to wear your hair up.
Like school.
Mm-hmm.
While we go to school. Is this the way you hold it?
Let's see. Hold it up. Nope, you got it backwards. The thumb goes in the small one.
Yeah. Is this it?
That's right. Why don't you try with the other hand, sweetie? Put the scissors in the other hand. You can do it. Put the scissors in the other hand, sweetie.
You can do it. This one?
Yep. Thumb goes in the small hole. Flip it round. Flip it round. Oh. Give me your thumb. There we go. Now the rest of your fingers go in there.
That's how you hold it?
That's how you hold it.
That's how you
I bet that'll work a lot better.
I will try to cut out. Hey, Mommy, teach me how to cut out a heart.
You got it, kiddo. Can you say bye-bye to everyone?
Bye.